The Nissan X-Trail III, model T32 from 2014 to 2022, uses a direct tire pressure monitoring system to alert you to low tire pressure. The TPMS monitors each tire's pressure in real time and displays warnings on the dashboard. This is a direct TPMS system using individual sensors in each wheel that send data wirelessly to the vehicle's engine control unit. This video explains how to reset the TPMS warning light after adjusting tire pressures, rotating tires, or replacing them. Resetting ensures accurate readings and prevents false warnings. The X-Trail uses a direct TPMS system with individual sensors mounted inside each tire wheel. These sensors continuously monitor air pressure and temperature. The sensors transmit pressure data wirelessly to the vehicle's engine control unit, which processes the information and alerts the driver if pressure drops too low. Each sensor is powered by a small battery that typically lasts between 5 to 10 years before needing replacement. The system triggers a warning when tire pressure drops below 25% of the recommended level, typically around 32 to 35 psi. Direct TPMS is more accurate than indirect systems, but depends on working sensors. Before resetting the TPMS, check the sticker on the driver's side door jamb for the recommended PSI values. This label provides the correct inflation pressure for each tire. Inflate each tire to match the recommended pressure shown on the sticker. Proper inflation ensures accurate TPMS readings and prevents false warnings. After inflation, drive the vehicle above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the TPMS sensors to stabilize and transmit current pressure data to the system. If your X-Trail has a dedicated TPMS reset button, usually on the dashboard or steering wheel, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then press and hold the TPMS button for 3 to 5 seconds until the warning light blinks or a reset message appears on the display. This initiates the recalibration process. For X-Trail models with touchscreen, typically post-2017 facelift, navigate to Vehicle Settings through the Infotainment menu. Select Settings from the main menu, then choose Vehicle Options. Navigate to TPMS Settings. Select Reset to begin recalibration. Confirm your selection. The system will start recalibrating. Drive the vehicle for 10 to 20 minutes to complete the process. After resetting the TPMS, drive for 10 to 20 minutes at speeds over 25 miles per hour. This allows the sensors to stabilize and transmit current pressure data to the vehicle's ECU. The warning light should extinguish once the system recognizes proper tire pressures. If the light persists, there may be a sensor fault or other issue. Connect an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port to check for error codes. Common codes for the Nissan X-Trail include C2001 through C1204, which indicate problems with individual tire pressure sensors. A faulty sensor will need replacement with an OEM part or approved equivalent. Using genuine Nissan parts ensures proper compatibility and prevents future false warnings or sensor mismatches. After replacement, perform the reset procedure again. Ensure you're using the correct tire pressures as indicated on the vehicle's door jamb. This label provides the manufacturer's recommended pressures for optimal safety and TPMS accuracy. TPMS resets should be performed only after confirming tire pressures manually with a gauge. This ensures the system calibrates accurately and prevents false warnings. According to experts, over-reliance on TPMS can mask underlying tire issues like slow leaks or damage. Regular manual checks are essential for safety, as the system isn't a substitute for visual inspection. For persistent TPMS problems like recurring warnings or sensor faults, consider having a professional diagnose the issue. Common causes include faulty sensors or software glitches that require specialized tools. Future trends in TPMS technology focus on advanced features that enhance reliability and sustainability. AI-driven predictive systems can anticipate pressure loss, reducing false alarms by analyzing driving patterns. Autonomous recalibration allows the system to self-reset without manual intervention. Eco-friendly sensors with longer battery life minimize electronic waste. Stay updated on firmware updates that improve TPMS functionality.